welcome back. I hope everybody's doing good, and wherever you are in the world, I hope you're still creating and trying to enjoy yourselves. That's what I'm trying to do, and the best way is through creating art, or even just playing with molds and things that I've been doing lately. So, by the way, if you guys want me to, since I'm getting my mojo back, if you want me to do anything in particular, just let me know, and I'll try and do my best. Just to show you, I've done pretty much everything there is to do when it comes to resin. So let me know if there is a particular technique or something you want to know how to use, how to do. Let me know, and I'll do my best to do it. So I've got some lazuli blue there, and a funny thing happened. I was wondering why the paste wasn't selling. It's a beautiful paste, and I'm pretty sure I used it before, like a long time ago, like probably even a couple of years ago, in a video to show people, what it looks like and what to do with it. And I was wondering why it wasn't moving off the shelf. I was thinking, what the heck? Something's wrong. Anyway, funny thing, I didn't even have it listed in the shop. So it's listed now, and it's a gorgeous, gorgeous blue. And I'm using the lemon yellow, which is quite a bright yellow, and a pure white this time. So I want to use my little gridded cup here. So both of these are transparent, so I'm thinking I might put the white in the middle, and I'm going to pour it directly in the mold. So that should be interesting. I don't want to use all of it, might not need all of it, I don't know, we'll see. And then I'm going to put the yellow here. Oh, I can't remember now what happened, which one went, yeah. So that one is going to start wanting to pour out first, so I've got to make sure that this one's higher, so they kind of go at the same time. Ah, no, don't do that, don't you dare do that. I don't mind mixing white with the yellow, but not yellow with the white. I need it to be white. Bloody hell, clumsy this morning. I don't know why. It's been so noisy. Everybody decided to mow the lawn. I'm just going to blame them for this. Okay. Not my clumsiness at all. And some of this gorgeous lazuli. It's going to go over here. Whoa, careful. So they should flow about the same, because the middle one, from memory from yesterday, goes out first. Okay, so I'm going to use this mold here, my beautiful lotus mold that I love. So I'm just going to pour it in, and I'll see if I can do a swirl. I don't know. We're going to see how we go. I'm going to add a little bit more of this white in there, because they're not going at the same time. So this is the pure white. It's not supposed to be selling, creating cells. It's a base white, unlike the angel white, which is a very well known selling white. If you haven't tried it, you have to. You just have to. Okay, let's give this a go now and see how I go. It doesn't matter if it doesn't want to go. So I made a mistake. So I should have had that one. Anyway, let's just go. Let's just go. That yellow and the blue will make a green. Ah, come on, white. Let's do a swirl. It's going to be interesting to see what happens here. Whoa. I don't even know if you can see what I'm doing. Let's just go straight up now. This is so awesome. Look at that. Let's go swirly again. So I did a combination of swirls. Whoa. Just got to be careful not to overdo it. Oh yeah, I can see lots of green there. Let's go again. I think it's just going to be creating these lines, which I think is quite cool. Swirl and then I might turn it around because I'm getting a lot of white over here. So I want to do it like this. I'll get the white on the other side, hopefully, and the yellow. There. Oh, I can already see this is going to be so awesome. Alright, let's move this one out of the way. I'm going to do another one. And put this one out of the way. Try not to wreck it. That's so cool. Okay. Okay, so I've got another mold. This is like a flower shaped petri dish. I've got these in the shop if you're interested in buying them. So let's just go. I might just add the rest of this yellow in there just so I don't waste it. I don't like wasting things. And the resin that I'm using today and most of the days is Platinum 360 Plus. I love the consistency of it. It's really good. Some of the blue too. The consistency is great for me. Not too thick, not too thin. Just right. And it's, you know, it's sets faster than the other one. So anyway, here we go.
Papa. Hi, Gemma.
Hello.
What are you doing? Oh, that's cool.
I know, it is cool, isn't it?
Mimi. Hi, Mimi.
Come on, out you come now.
I love these dogs.
All right, I love you too. You go now. Need to go.
I love two dogs.
Okay, you need to go out now. Gemma's working with chemicals.
Why does Millie got a little
You need to go out now.
She's got a little head.
Out.
Millie's got a big head.
Out.
Sorry.
Chemicals. Yes, darling. Cool. Lucky you. Oh, you're funny. You're a funny bugger, you are. Funny buggers. Alright, so I've got that one. What else can I do? I've got a little bit left. My molds, they've cooled down before I sort of felt them, and they were so hot. I don't even have my glasses on. I just thought, oh, I'll just go into the art room and check these little buggers and see if they're done, if they're ready. Oh, I think they're going to be quite colourful. I'm just going to open this up a little bit, get some air in there, which will help. It's only been like 4 hours, but it's okay to unmold now. So I just need to get one side. I've got to do it this way. This is the best way to do it. Pull and over. Pull and over. Just keep going. I just got a saw there, which does not help. Pull and over. Oh my gosh. Go. Oh, one more. Oh wow, that is so bloody beautiful. I absolutely love this. I didn't think I was going to love it, but wow. Oh my god, put the light on. You got to see this in a better light. I will take it outside, I suppose. Look inside. See the drip? I love that. I don't even know how that happened. Oh my god, that's so nice. That is so gorgeous. Look at that. And you can see the little, can you see the lines? That's from doing the ring. And the other side, not that you'll be able to see the other side, but wow, that is so pretty. I absolutely love that in there. Wow, even without the glasses, and you watch, I put the glasses on and I'll say, wow, that's absolute crap. Now, look at that. Look at that. That's from the ring, the swirl. Oh my god, I can't wait to see that. That is so gorgeous. That is, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, let's do this one now. Let's see how this one turned out. I honestly did not think it was going to turn out like that. I did not think it was going to be that cool. Seriously, I'm so pleased. I think it might be a bit too early to unmold this one because it feels a bit soft, but that's all right. I'll pull it out of the mold and then I'll fix it. See how it's all soft? I'll fix it all up. Oh wow. Hang on. So that's what I gotta do to make sure it's, wow, oh my god. That lapis lazuli, that lapis lazuli is an absolute stunner. That's all I'm gonna say. And with that, the white, see how it's going a bit like a really nice light blue. And then you have this green. Oh my gosh, look at that. And the other side even. It's so vibrant and so beautiful. That colour is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. And I can't believe that I didn't even have it on. All this time I'm doing stock take. I'm thinking this paste is not moving at all. Look at it. Look how gorgeous it is. Oh, I'm in love. Absolutely in love with this. But this one, oh my god, it goes beyond words to me. Anyway, what do you think? Am I over? I don't know. I'm just like, wow. It just seems so gorgeous to me. But that's it from me. I'm glad that you're here with me, and thank you so much. If you like this, share it, subscribe. If you're not subscribed already, please like. It does help me a lot. And I'll see you again in another video. Bye for now. Bye bye. 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 I said bye.